Welcome to Learn Wealthy, your go-to channel for real estate insights, market charts, and golden opportunity. Let's build wealth together.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Learn Wealthy. It's your host, James Santiago. This episode is going to be juicy. This is the part 2 of a complete Home Buying Guide 101 series. How to get pre-approved for a mortgage. A step-by-step guide. If you're thinking about buying a home, one of the first steps you'll want to take is getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Not only does it give you a clear idea of how much house you can afford, but it also shows the seller that you're a serious buyer. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the entire pre-approval process step by step. So let's break it down. First off, what exactly is a mortgage pre-approval? Simply put, it's a preliminary evaluation by a lender to determine how much they would be willing to lend you based on your financial situation. It's not a guarantee, but it's a strong indication of your borrowing capacity. Pre-approval usually involves a detailed review of your credit score, income, assets, and debts. Think of it as a financial background check. Part 2. Why is getting pre-approved so important? For starters, it helps you establish a budget so you don't waste time looking at homes that are out of your price range. It also gives you an advantage in a competitive market. Sellers are more likely to take your offer seriously if they know you're pre-approved. In fact, some sellers and real estate agents won't even consider offers from buyers who haven't been pre-approved. Part 3. Alright, let's dive into the steps to get pre-approved. Step number 1. Check your credit score. Before you even talk to a lender, it's crucial to know where your credit score stands. Most lenders require a minimum credit score to qualify for a mortgage. And the higher your score, the better your interest rates will be. You can check your credit score through various online services, often for free. Step number 2. Gather your financial documents. Next, you'll need to gather important financial documents. This typically includes your W-2s, pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements, and details about any outstanding debts. Having these ready will make the process smoother and faster. Step number 3. Choose a lender. Once you have your documents, it's time to choose a lender. You can start with your current bank, but it's also wise to shop around and compare rates and terms from different lenders. Don't forget to check reviews and ask for recommendations. Step number 4. Submit your application. Now you'll fill out a pre-approval application. This can often be done online or in person. The lender will ask for details about your income, assets, debts, and the property you're interested in. They'll also run a credit check, so be prepared for that. Step number 5. Receive your pre-approval letter. If all goes well, you'll receive a pre-approval letter from the lender. This will state the amount you're pre-approved to borrow, and it's typically valid for 60 to 90 days. With this in hand, you can confidently start your home search. Tips for a smooth pre-approval process. Before we wrap up, here are quick tips to ensure a smooth pre-approval process. Keep your credit score steady by avoiding new credit inquiries or large purchases during the pre-approval period. Stay organized with your financial documents to avoid delays. Communicate openly with your lender. If there are any changes in your financial situation, let them know immediately. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to getting pre-approved for a mortgage and moving closer to owning your dream home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on finance and home buying. Make sure to watch episode 3 of this YouTube series. Episode 3 is called What to Look For During a Home Tour. There should be a link on the screen right about now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's all learn wealthy together.